Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable data settings in the Skyscanner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the manage your account section, click on the settings button. And at the other section, click on the data settings button. And as you can see, there are two settings. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to enable. And once it turns blue, it means that it's enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.